Good morning, everyone. I'm Wade Scott. Welcome to the Delaware Elder Law Center. Today, I'm going to talk about the durable power of attorney. So what happens? Now you have the basic elements to know that your document is valid under Delaware law. So what happens when you walk into the bank? There's certain banks that are going to give you a hard time, and what they'll do in those instances is say, well, we don't accept this power of attorney. You'll have to sign one of our own. Under Delaware law, that's invalid. You don't have to sign a different additional power of attorney. The other one is, well, this is a copy. We need the original. Well, no, they don't. Under Delaware law, copies as good as the original. Another complaint banks have is, oh, this document is more than 6 months old, so we're not going to accept it. Again, there's no requirement that the power of attorney be within a certain date. Once it's signed and once it's valid, it's valid. And then another tactic is for the bank to say, well, you'll have to bring your disabled mom in here. She needs to be physically here before we can do the transaction. That's really silly, because that's the whole reason behind the power of attorney. It's so someone can take action on your behalf, even if you're not there physically present. There's sometimes that the transaction is so important to a family that, these roadblocks cause harm. And there is a recourse, unless someone knows for a fact that the document is invalid, that the agent's authority has been revoked, or that someone has made a complaint to the police or to the social service office that they suspect fraud or undue influence. The bank, I'm just picking on the bank needs to accept the document. If the bank doesn't, you, the agent, can take them to the Chancery Court and demand that the judge order the bank to accept your document, and your legal fees will be paid by the bank if the judge agrees with you. And so this is just a brief introduction to the power of attorney. Hope you found this helpful. And if you want to learn more about it, please give me a call. Thank you.